Ever missed a profitable trade because you couldn't set TradingView technical indicators alert? This video is for you. If you're someone who trades things like RSI divergence or MACD histogram, then learning how to set indicator alerts is very critical. For someone like me, I trade the MACD histogram, and alerts are very critical for me to be able to jump in on profitable trades in time. So for you to be able to set alerts, you need to be on a paid plan, which is like the essential plan. So it's like 14 bucks a month. And if you're a serious trader, that shouldn't be too much. So let's just go straight to it. So this is a MACD indicator. If I want to set a histogram alert, such that if it flips bullish, it should notify me, or if it flips bearish, it should notify me. Okay, I'll click on this more, then click on add alerts on MACD. You click on that, then this is the symbol, the ticker is BTC USDT, that's BTC Theta. Then this is the condition, the MACD, and then you have to choose conditions for it, whether it's crossing up, crossing down. If, take for instance, you're going for a bullish MACD, you want it to notify you when it flips bullish, you have to click on crossing up, then you set a value of 0. So that's what you do. So when it flips bullish, it notifies you. Same thing, if you want it to notify you when it flips bearish, you click on crossing down, then you put a value of 0 too. So when it flips bearish, it also notifies you, then you click on create. When you click on create, you would see this arrow here, which is a symbol to tell you that there's an alert on it. You also see this particular clock icon that tells you that there is an alert on the indicator. So if, take for instance, you want to put an alert on, say, the RSI divergence indicator, such that when it flips bull, when there's a divergence between price and the RSI and it prints bull, it should notify you. If it prints bear, it should also notify you. So you do the same just like you did the first time. You click on this, you click on add alerts on RSI divergence, then you go with regular bullish divergence, or depending on the kind of divergence you want. If you want a bullish divergence, if you want a hidden bullish divergence, if you want a regular bullish divergence and a hidden bearish divergence, so you could just click on this and it tell you interval same as chart. You click on create and it creates it for you. So anytime there is that condition is met, it gives you an alert. If you are on the platform, you hear a sound, which you see alerts here, then it also sends you a mail telling you that your alert had been met, your conditions have been met, and your alert has been hit. So you can quickly come to the platform and then check your trade and see if it matches the kind of setup you want, and then you can dive in. So that's basically how to set um, alerts for indicators. You click on these three dots, you click on add alerts on indicator. It could be any indicator, it's just basically the same thing. So if there is anything you want, if there is a type of indicator you want to create alert for and I didn't cover it, you could always put a comment in the comment section and I'll definitely cover it. So this is Crypto Wolf. I will see you in my next video. Bye.